In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report junk email in Outlook in just a few minutes. Spam can be frustrating, but reporting it not only keeps your inbox clean, it also helps Microsoft improve their filters for everyone. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Outlook login page. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and make sure you're on the official Microsoft site for security. Once you're in your account, click on Mail in the sidebar. From there, scroll down to find the Junk Email folder. This is where Outlook automatically stores emails it thinks might be spam. Inside the folder, browse through the list and select the email you want to report. Right-click on it, and from the menu, choose Report. When you confirm this action, the email will be flagged as junk, and Microsoft will use that feedback to strengthen their spam filters. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've reported junk mail in Outlook, keeping your own inbox cleaner while also helping improve email security for everyone.